In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze images with ChatGPT in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you want help understanding a photo, describing an image, extracting details, or getting creative feedback on an upload, ChatGPT makes the process quick and easy. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the chat window, look for the message bar at the bottom. To upload an image, click the paperclip icon or the plus icon next to the message box. This is the button that lets you attach files directly into ChatGPT. After you click it, choose Upload from Computer if your image is saved on your device. You can also drag and drop the image straight into the chat if that feels easier. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see it attached in the conversation, ready for analysis. Now comes the important part. Type your prompt clearly so ChatGPT knows exactly what you want it to do with the image. For example, you can ask it to describe what's in the image, identify objects, explain the context, analyze the style, or even help you improve a caption. The more specific you are, the better the answer will be. For example, if you want a creative response, you could type, "Analyze the color palette and composition of this photo. What mood does it evoke?" If you want a practical response, you could ask, "What items are visible in this image, and are there any important details I should notice?" If you're using it for work, study, or content creation, you can tailor the prompt to match your exact goal. Once you've typed your prompt, press Enter and let ChatGPT process the image. In just a few seconds, it will generate a response based on the visual details it can identify. You can then follow up with more questions if needed. For example, you can ask it to go deeper, compare elements, summarize the image in one sentence, or rewrite the analysis in a different tone. A great tip is to be as clear and direct as possible. Instead of asking something broad like, "What do you see?" try asking, "Describe the main subject, the background, the colors, and the overall composition." That helps ChatGPT give you a more useful and accurate response. You can also use this feature for many different types of tasks, such as analyzing screenshots, reviewing design mockups, understanding charts, reading visible text in an image, or getting feedback on product photos. It's a really powerful way to save time and get instant insights from visual content. And that's it. You now know how to analyze images with ChatGPT by uploading a file, entering a prompt, and letting the AI break down the details for you. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, AI tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.